Hey, why did you slap me?
Because I am elder than you.
Hey, why did you slap me?
Because because I am elder than you.
Hey, why did you slap me?
Because I am elder than you.
Why did you slap me?
Because I am elder than you.
And one, whom would it go and hit? Under him, there's just zero, but he did not hit him like others did. He turned out to be smart. He raised that zero and put him beside, which made him stronger. That means become 10. Friends, getting support from others and shoulders to trust and rest on is important. Let them be far or near. All that matters is how close they are to you. No person becomes hero by just winning over someone. He becomes hero when he wins hearts of others. Love, spread love.